you can hear that or not, but this is my dog, but it's like a weird humming, and every once in a while, like a foghorn or something. Do you hear that? It's the weirdest thing. I can't tell if it's just regular noise, but everything seems to have gotten quiet, but this sound. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to get the sound instead of videotaping. There. Do you hear that, like, foghorn? And then there's still that humming. Very distant. So weird. It doesn't sound like it's like over me. It sounds like it's coming from the north.